Using a metal ruler, place a straight edge on the outer part of the rims, where the wheel comes closest to the fender. Then measure from the outside wheel to the straight edge. This distance is the size spacer you will need to achieve the look that flushes or nearly flush with the fender line. Choose a good set of Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers that can make a big difference in your off-roading performance. The choice of spacers' thickness is quite important. Larger wheels and wider tires mean greater grip, which affect handling and stability. However, they will also take up more space in the fender wheel. As a minimum, you'll need Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers that can prevent the larger wheels from rubbing against the suspension components. For off-road performance, it is recommended to stick to the rule of running Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers, no passing through the fender flares. But if you want to achieve a more powerful look, reasonably thinner wheel spacer can be used without problem. BONOSS insists on producing professional forged wheel spacers. Opt for wheel spacers made from high-strength, durable aluminum alloy material. This material ensures the spacers are lightweight yet strong enough to withstand the pressures of daily driving.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.